Hey everybody, David Likens here. Going to do a quick video for you on the newly designed 2019 Paddle King Low Pro Cruiser miniature pontoon boat. I just want to show you a few of the standard features as I do a little walk around for you here. The boat front to rear is 15 foot 2 inches long. The deck size is 13 feet long and 7 foot wide, so it's got a nice low stance in the water. This boat is equipped with the Paddle King half gate, as you can see here. The trailer is optional, so you do not have to buy the trailer. This one is powder coated with the spare optional spare tire. These are radial tires. We did install the breakaway tongue just to save you about 2 foot of storage in your storage unit or garage or shop. It does have a woven vinyl padded floor there, really high quality. Standard mooring lights on the front, navigational lights. You do get the standard bimini top and mooring light up there. A standard Livewell, which I'll show you here in just a couple of minutes, are all standard on the boat. As we go around, like I said, it's got a really cool little retro design this year. The cool thing about this boat is it only weighs 900 pounds. So you could pull this around with just about anything you want. It does have on this floor plan a standard rear ladder, as you can see here, rear access gate in this boat as well, and you can put up to a 20 horsepower motor. Like this is the 2019 Tohatsu fuel injected 20 horse. You can go down to a 10 horse or a 9.9 fuel injected, which will also work on this size boat, which doesn't seem like a lot, but you also have to remember the boat only weighs 900 pounds. So as I go around here, this is the Livewell pump. Again, standard, nice and protected. When it's sitting in the water, it's just about an inch or so above that. So that way keeps the water and air fresh there in the tank. And as you can see, this one we actually mounted a transponder on there for the fish finder. Mounted a set of rear cleats on this one to make it a little bit easier to tie off on the docks. The other thing we could do here with the bimini top, this is kind of the running position, if you will. We do install or have Paddle King put in. This is called a rail mount hinge pin right here, and what that does is it allows the top to lay flat, so it's basically just above the height of the steering helm right there, so it can store really low. Now this boat here comes in 4 different floor plans. This specific floor plan is floor plan number 2, which what you get with floor plan number 2 is the 2 removable captain's chairs here. As you can see, they pull out from the floor there, and you can put them off to the side or leave them in your garage, shop, or truck just to have more open space in the front. What you also do get is the standard fishing rod holders in the corners there with a cup holder, pair on both sides. As I back up to give you a little bit of extra room, you see how this floor plan is laid out. So this side here is your Livewell drain pump, adjustable nozzle for the amount of water flow that comes through. This side is standard. On this one we did install the extra storage box, and again, nice cushion, thick padded seat. You do get a mooring cover standard, set of poles for it, and a solid bottom, so that way it'll stay dry in case you get wet. Nice large rear back seat. Again, there's your access gate to get out of the back. You do have storage under the rear seat, which we do install. You have your fire extinguisher, gas, digital charger, and running battery. And we do use Interstate batteries on all of our equipment, along with MinnKotta name brand products. So that way, down the road, if there's anything that goes on, you've got some local service there. On this particular boat, we did install a really simple Lowrance fish finder GPS. You do have your mooring lights and navigation light switch here with your Livewell switch, and then we also do install an electric horn, fire extinguisher. That way anytime you're on the open water, it's all legal. There's your throttle with the electric trim, bimini top and boot, which do come standard, as I was saying earlier. So as you can see, you get a lot of features for the money. Again, this is floor plan number 2. We are located in Southeast Missouri. All of our contact name and information is below. Feel free to look us up. We do customize these boats individually for every customer. This is just one way we outfitted this one. So if you like this boat, great. We can take away or add to, put a stereo on it, a different nicer fish finder, kind of anything you need. Not necessarily sky's the limit, but we appreciate you watching the video. And if there's anything else that you'd like on it or would like to do, just give us a call. Love the opportunity to work with you. And again, my name is David Likens, and look forward to working with you in the future. And if you'd like to see more videos like this or have questions, post them below, give us a thumbs up or a like, or feel free to subscribe to our channel. Again, thanks for watching, and this is the 2019 Paddle King Low Pro Cruiser boat.